Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about cell wall. But before starting that, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and share the video to share the knowledge. Now come to the point. Cell wall. Cell wall is actually the outer hard covering of your cytoplasm. It secures your cytoplasm. It secures your cell membrane. Important thing is that it is non-living. That's why the non-living part has been eliminated and the living component is called protoplasm. The living component is called protoplasm. Cell wall is the major part of plant cell, animal cell and fungal cell. This is extremely important to know that it is not present in animal cell. When it is not present in animal cell, it means when animal cell is placed in a hypertonic solution which has more water potential and water will move inside the cell, it may damage the cell by the process and bursting will take place. Come to the composition. That plant cell wall is composed of cellulose, pectin, lignin. Bacterial cell wall is composed of special type of component, that is murein. Fungus cell wall is made up of chitin and glucans. When plant cell wall can easily fight against the water potential. When water potential is more, plant cell can easily fight and cell wall play a major role to protect the cell from bursting. Coming to the structure, there are three layers. There are basically three layers of cell wall. First is primary cell wall. It is drawn here. Middle space is present, which is somewhat like this. And nextly, secondary portion, that is secondary wall. First discuss about the primary wall. Primary wall which is secreted directly from cell membrane. Now question is that why cell membrane is secreting cell wall? Because cell membrane is the living part. That's why it is secreting the component. Cell membrane is secreting the wall, that is called primary wall. It is present in young cells. It is extremely elastic. It provides elasticity to the cell. It is composed of hemicellulose, but percentage is 25%. Actually cellulose, which is 25%, hemicellulose is 50%, and some amount of pectin is present here. Now you can see that the middle part, just consider it is the quadri part of the cell. Now this is the secondary portion. This is the middle lamella. Discussion about middle lamella. Middle lamella is present in middle. You can see it is written in the middle and it will help you to make it memorize. It is present in middle, composed of calcium and magnesium. Of course, yes, it is very important. Secondly, secondary wall is there, which is non-elastic. Why it is non-elastic? Because it does not contain the elastic content which primary wall has. But after some time, when maturity take place, primary wall lost its elasticity and it will convert into the secondary wall, which is become now non-elastic. It present in old cells composed of cellulose and lignin. After that, another special thing which is the presence of pores. It means Plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmatas are the pores. When cell wall is non-living, then non-living substance will not help in transport, but cell wall can help in transport because some content can easily travel through those pores. You can see the white content, those pores. So it helps in transport. Now, the pores are called plasmodesmata. They are small pores just after the cell, just in the cell wall, which connects the cell wall to the neighboring cell. Now coming to the functions of cell wall, but just before that, make you remember that please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, share the video to share the knowledge. Now, functions of primary cell wall is that it is permeable in nature. It is permeable, it allows everything. There is no restrictions, no questioning. Anybody can come inside. It of course yes provide protections to the cell. It protects your cell membrane, it protects your all cell content. It provides support, it provides structural support, and because it is also hydrophilic in nature, so it loves water, it can easily help in the movement of water, soluble ions and other components. These all other components which are essential for the plant. Coming to the summary of the video, that the cell wall is of course yes important component of the living organisms, plants, bacteria and fungus. We discuss about primary wall, we discuss about middle lamella, we discuss about the secondary wall. Actually it is all about the composition or structural composition of the cell. Then we discuss especially about plasmodesmata, and we end our lecture on functions. Thank you so much.